Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh Surface for Solidworks, all about the freeform modeling. Let's continue to explore the more tools of our software. The next topic will be what we call the crease edge. The main idea about this shape is that it's smooth everywhere with the G2 continuity, but in some examples you may want to do a sharp edge. When you do the modeling, you will find that you would like to create something which is sharp. In order to simulate this, I will just double click to pick my shape here, and I will just move it lower like this one. And as you see here, we just bended the shape. This is, I will just press Ctrl Z because I don't need to duplicate. As you can see here, when you manipulate, you probably may find that it's good to be on a safe side and turn off the duplicate handle so you can actually manipulate your shape. So that's why this is optional here. So let's try to think about this example here. I have an edge here, but for me, I don't want to be smooth. I just want to have a sharp corner here. For this reason, we have a command which is called crease points or edges. What I need here is just to take all this chain and make it sharp. The way it works, you just double click to get all the edges here. Then you can just click the command here. As you can see now, the edge became sharp and it's what is called crease. You can still manipulate, you can still move it in space and make modifications in the same way you do before. But as you can see, it just stays as a sharp edge here. You can pick the corner and manipulate and adjust your shape. This is good in many cases when you want to create this type of feature. But what if you want to undo or remove this? One way is you just double click to select again this chain and you can remove the crease. Or in some cases, like me, you can do the easy where you just select everything and say remove crease. It will detect where you have crease edges and it will remove them. So this is about the crease and remove crease and creating sharp edges on the freeform modeling. Thank you for watching.